Hello, Wade Como here to talk to you today about fixed-to-rent loans. You may have heard about fixed-to-flip loans, but at Catalyst, we have a very integrated process that helps you get the money to purchase and repair distressed real estate and then put it into a cash-flowing asset. For example, you can get the money to purchase the property, fix it up because it's in bad condition, which prevents a better financial opportunity for you as an investor. Then you can transition into one of two loans, either a conventional refinance or a debt service coverage ratio loan. Either one of these products can be a great fit for you, whether you have fully documentable income or you may need the property to pay for the rent and qualify you without you providing any income documentation. If you want to learn more about fixed-to-rent investment opportunities or the ways that Catalyst can help you in this space, reach out to us. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.